Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your profile and background picture on Kik. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can see your profile on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the set background photo and profile option. So if you want to change the background photo, just go ahead and tap on set background photo and you can either take existing photo or you can take a picture right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the existing photo. I'll select this photo which I like and then I'll click on done after this. So you can do the same and you can change your profile photo or your background photo. So you can see that if you click on your profile picture, there are three options: view photo, take picture and choose existing. So if you want to take your current picture, you can click on take picture, or you want to click on choose existing. You can click it and you can choose the photo from your gallery. So you can go ahead and select the photo of your choice, click on done, wait for a while, and after a while you can see that your profile picture will be changed. So guys, I hope this video about how you can change your profile and background photo on Kik Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.